Welcome to this video showcasing the latest features of the Notion Finance Tracker. This template helps you simplify your personal accounting and gain real insight into how you spend your money so you can make smarter financial decisions based on your results. The template is organized into 5 dashboards, starting with a main page where you'll find a summary of all your expenses as well as a quarterly report of your financial performance. The Transactions page is the core of the system. It provides an overview of your expenses, income, and balance, all automatically organized by bank account, along with a complete summary. Depending on the current month, all data updates automatically. We'll later see how easy it is to add a new transaction. The Net Worth page gives you a clear snapshot of the value of your assets based on your account balances. All data is linked directly to your transactions to avoid unnecessary databases and make the template easy to manage. The monthly dashboard provides a detailed breakdown of income and expenses each month and lets you track your savings progress. Finally, the Bills Tracker makes managing your recurring payments incredibly simple. For now, let's go back to the main dashboard and start the walkthrough. If you want to try this template, you'll find a link in the description to download a free version and get started right away. For each transaction, you can assign a budget category. As you spend money, the board automatically updates. To set a spending goal, you first need to enter a monthly amount. Open the category page you want to set up and locate the properties under the title. Enter the maximum amount you don't want to exceed for each month. Repeat this process for all categories to get started. You'll do the same for your income goals. The database below lets you set a total income target for each month. Since it is directly linked to your transactions, it automatically shows a summary of all income based on the current year. Open any month and enter your target. As you log new income, your progress updates on its own. To get started, you first need to create at least one page for your bank account. You can create as many as you need. On the left side of the template, you'll find a shortcut button to add a new bank account. Click it to generate a page, then open it to rename and customize it. Set a monthly limit based on how much you want to avoid spending from this account each month. Once that's done, you're ready to link your transactions to it. Now click on New Transaction to add a new line in the Inbox section. Rename it if you want. The date automatically defaults to today, but you can easily adjust it. Depending on whether it's income or spending, enter the amount in the correct column. For this example, we'll record a spending amount under Spent. Then select whether the transaction is an asset or a liability. This choice is important because it updates your real net worth and affects the corresponding dashboard shown earlier in the video. Finally, assign the bank account you just created. The transaction will move to its related bank category below, and you can add a budget category from the existing list. Based on the information you've entered, Your monthly summary updates automatically. You can view all your data through the ready-to-use charts and tables. To track how much money you save each month, scroll to the bottom of the page and open the savings database. For each month, simply enter the amount you managed to save. The chart on the right will update automatically. Along with the summary that compares your current month's savings to the previous one. To add a new bill, click the button dedicated to creating one. A new line will appear in the inbox, and you can start filling it out right away. The status is automatically set to draft. Enter the amount and billing date, then specify the bill type. You can also add a payment date, which allows the template to calculate the number of days between billing and payment. At the top of the page, you'll see all the bills scheduled for payment this month. Only bills marked as paid are included in the total. The monthly summary is displayed at the top left of the dashboard, with a full monthly report for the year just below it. Further down, you'll find a weekly check-in showing all bills due for the current week.